Technology and entertainment, the development of electronic games and their applications. The development of electronic games has been a major phenomenon in the world of entertainment. From early arcade games to modern console and mobile games, electronic games have become an integral part of our daily lives. In this article, we will explore the development of electronic games and their impact on society. Early electronic games. The first electronic games were developed in the 1950s and 1960s, and were primarily used for research and military training. These early games were simple in nature, and were not widely available to the public. It wasn't until the 1970s that electronic games began to gain popularity, with the introduction of arcade games such as Pong and Space Invaders. Home consoles. The introduction of home consoles in the 1980s marked a major milestone in the development of electronic games. Home consoles such as the Atari 2600 and the Nintendo Entertainment System, NES, allowed users to play games in the comfort of their own homes. The introduction of these consoles paved the way for the widespread adoption of electronic games. Computer games. In addition to home consoles, the development of computer games has further expanded the capabilities of electronic games. Computer games offer more advanced graphics and gameplay than home consoles, and have become a major part of the gaming industry. The popularity of computer games has also led to the growth of PC gaming communities and esports. Online games. The development of the Internet has enabled the growth of online games, which allow users to play games with other people from around the world. Online games range from simple browser-based games to complex multiplayer games, and have become a major source of entertainment for people all over the world. The growth of online games has also led to the development of online gaming communities and esports. Mobile games. Mobile games have become a huge industry, with millions of people playing games on their smartphones and tablets. Mobile games range from simple puzzle games to complex multiplayer games, and have become a major source of entertainment for people all over the world. The development of mobile games has also led to the growth of mobile gaming communities and esports. Impact on society. The widespread adoption of electronic games has had a profound impact on society. These games have transformed the way we entertain ourselves, and have become an important part of our daily lives. They have also transformed industries, such as the gaming and entertainment industries, by creating new business opportunities and revenue streams. Applications of electronic games. Electronic games have also found applications outside of the entertainment industry. They are used in education, healthcare, and other industries to provide engaging and interactive experiences. Electronic games are also used for training and simulation purposes, such as military and medical training. Future development. The development of electronic games is ongoing, with new innovations and technologies constantly being introduced. The next generation of electronic games is expected to incorporate technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence. These technologies will enable new use cases and applications, further expanding the capabilities of electronic games. Gaming communities. The growth of electronic games has also led to the development of gaming communities, where players can connect and interact with each other. Gaming communities can range from small groups of friends to massive online communities with millions of members. These communities provide a way for players to share their experiences, strategies, and achievements, and to form friendships and rivalries with other players. Esports. Esports, or competitive gaming,